Channels of digital marketing. Welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to talk about channels of digital marketing. What are the different ways you can promote your products digitally? And you can learn here some best advantages of channels of digital marketing, and what are the platforms you can use to promote your products, which is easy to reach people nowadays. Yes, here we explain technically in details of channels of digital marketing. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO focuses on optimizing a website's content and structure to improve its visibility in search engine results. The goal is to increase organic, non-paid traffic by ensuring that the site ranks higher for relevant search queries. These elements include on-page factors such as content, HTML tags, and website structure, as well as off-page factors like backlinks and social signals. Businesses that invest in effective SEO strategies often experience increased online visibility, higher organic traffic, and improved overall digital presence. 2. Social media marketing, SMM. Social media marketing involves creating and sharing content on social media networks with the aim of achieving marketing and branding goals. This content can take various forms, such as text, images, videos, and interactive elements. The primary platforms used for SMM include popular networks such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and others. Each platform has its unique user demographics and features, allowing marketers to tailor their strategies to specific audiences. Yes, this is all about social media marketing. 3. Search engine marketing, SEM. I hope you guys have used Yahoo, Bing and YouTube, right? Yes, these are search engine as a place where you can search what you are looking for and get some information. This comes under free SEM, and let's see what comes under paid SEM. Paid SEM includes display advertising, where visual ads, banners, or interactive media are displayed on websites within a network. This technique involves targeting ads to users who have previously visited a website but did not take a desired action, such as making a purchase. By displaying targeted ads to these users as they browse other websites, advertisers aim to re-engage them and encourage conversions. 4. Email marketing. Email. You can talk about your business, brand, and products personally. When we compare social media to email marketing is a very personal way to communicate with your audience. And also automated emails triggered by a user's action, such as a purchase confirmation, shipping notification, or password reset. Regularly scheduled emails that provide subscribers with updates, news, or valuable content related to a company or industry. Email marketing helps you to reach out to your potential customers through email. 5. Video marketing. When you go on a platform like YouTube, when you search for something, a list of videos will come up. The video might be a review of the products, promotion of products, or related to any educational or entertaining contents. Yes, here we can use videos can be used to explain complex concepts, demonstrate product features, or provide tutorials, helping customers better understand a product or service. For example, somebody is making unboxing videos of any brand mobile and explaining their features through video. In this way people will get some idea of new products. Video marketing will help to attract customers easily, because people can see the product's color, shapes, type, and many more things. 6. Content marketing. Let's talk about how content marketing will help you to reach people in a very creative way. When you create content for your target audience, when more people engage with that content, people will obviously start following your content, and you will get more leads and more customers to your business. By offering valuable content, you can attract potential customers and guide them through the sales funnel. This content can take various forms, such as blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, podcasts, social media posts, and more. The content produced in content marketing aims to provide value to the audience. It can solve problems, answer questions, educate, or entertain, thereby establishing the brand. 7. Display advertisement. In display advertisement we can use visual elements, such as images, videos, and graphics, to promote a product or service on websites, social media platforms, and other digital channels. These visual elements are displayed to target audiences in the form of banners, pop-ups, or other ad formats. In this digital advertisement we can see physical or digital promotional materials used in retail environments or marketing campaigns. In a physical retail setting, marketing displays might include product stands, point-of-purchase displays, and other materials designed to attract customers' attention and encourage purchases. In a digital context, marketing displays could refer to the visual elements used in online marketing campaigns, such as website banners, social media graphics, and email visuals. 8. Audio marketing. You might have heard about podcasts. Here you can listen to the audio type of music, spoken words, and other auditory elements to convey messages, build brand awareness, and engage with the target audience. Creating and distributing audio content in the form of podcasts, which are episodic series covering specific topics or themes. Creating and distributing advertisements in audio format, which can be used on various platforms such as radio, streaming services, or podcasts. Additionally, the global reach of digital marketing enables businesses to connect with expansive audiences. Each channel brings its unique strengths and characteristics, contributing to a comprehensive and integrated approach to online promotion. The evolution of technology has given rise to numerous platforms and tools, each offering unique advantages for reaching and engaging consumers. I hope you understand the concept of digital marketing and how people are using these platforms to reach out to targeted audiences. Yes, you have many easy ways to reach people digitally in this digital world. Make use of it, and we'll come up with a next video about how we can earn through digital marketing. Thank you so much for watching.